Meaning of La Niña.
La Niña.
La Niña.
La Niña.
La Niña. La Niña is a weather phenomenon that is characterized by the cooling of the tropical Pacific Ocean waters along the equator. This phenomenon occurs every few years and can last up to several months. The opposite phenomenon, El Niño, is characterized by the warming of the same tropical Pacific Ocean waters. La Niña can cause changes in weather patterns around the world, resulting in increased rainfall in some areas and droughts in others. It can also lead to more hurricanes and other extreme weather events.